Then first of all we will revise past tense and after it we will revise future tense. Okay. Past tense. Okay. Then past indefinite tense. So formula of active voice for indefinite tense. Tell me. Subject plus verb second form plus object. I am asking about the active voice. Okay. And which is the formula of passive voice?
Object plus was verb plus verb की third form plus connector plus subject.
Okay. Object plus in the place of was second form was verb. And after it was third form connector plus what?
कलर दूसरा ले लो.
Connector plus subject. Okay. After this I will change. Now, can you give any example of it? Can you give any example of it? He cooked food very nice. Okay. Then, how will you change this into passive voice?
Food was cooked by him very nice.
Any other? Any other way?
Very nice food was cooked by him.
Yes, very nice. Food was cooked by him. Okay. Then negative sentence. What will be the formula of negative?
Subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object.
Subject plus did plus not plus verb first form plus object. Okay. Then how will you change active voice into passive voice? सभी बच्चों की आवाज आनी चाहिए. Why are you not telling? Yes. नेक्स्ट बताइए. रिवीजन बहुत अच्छा होता है. ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस
Was verb plus not plus verb third form plus connector
plus not plus verb third form plus connector plus subject. Can you give any example of it? Students, can you give any example of a negative? Palak, can you give any example?
He did not play cricket.
एक सिंपल सा हमेशा एक जैसा ही बता देते हो. Anything else? They did not harm you. Okay? What will be the change of it? चलिए चेंज बताइए कैसे करेंगे. ये एक्टिव वॉइस का सेंटेंस है. नाउ पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करिए.
You was not harmed by them.
You were not harmed by them. It may be in bracket. Okay. Now next है interrogative. What will be the formula of interrogative?
Did plus subject plus verb first form plus object.
Okay, did plus, just a minute. Wait, I will write first of all, after it. You give me answer. Next. Okay, interrogative. Subject plus, oh sorry. Oh, first of all, what will be here? Did.
Did
Did plus subject plus. What will
verb
be here?
first form
Verb first form plus
plus object.
object plus question mark. Okay.
Question mark.
Next, in passive voice, what will be here? Was
verb plus object plus verb third form plus connector plus subject plus question mark.
okay. So now, can you give any example of interrogative? Yes, can you give any example? इतने सारे बच्चे बैठे, इनमें से कोई भी बच्चा आपको एग्जाम्पल नहीं आ रहा है? You can't give? ये डम होके बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है. देखिए, मैं ये कोई इंटरेक्शन होना चाहिए, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा. मैं अकेले कुछ पढ़ाती रहूंगी, उससे कुछ भी नहीं होगा. अनुष्का, कैन यू गिव any example? Why? Why don't you? Neha Chaudhary, Arpita.
Did they go to school?
Did they work on an important project yesterday?
I have given this. I have given this ना. अब आपने क्या बोला नेहा? Did?
Did they go to school?
अच्छा. Did they go to school? Okay. How will you make this? How will you change this into passive voice? बताओ. Can you change this into passive voice? क्या आप इसको पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर सकते हैं? पलक, कैन यू चेंज दिस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस? आंसर को जल्दी से. क्या आप इसको पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर सकते हैं?
Was school went by the
It's wrong because of we cannot make passive voice of it. हम इसका passive voice नहीं बना सकते because of here is no object. Object है क्या यहाँ? इस सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर आप मानते हो कि ऑब्जेक्ट है तो कोई बात नहीं, है ऑब्जेक्ट. क्या ऑब्जेक्ट है? स्कूल. लेकिन ये इसका वर्क से रिलेशन नहीं है. स्कूल में जाकर आप पढ़ाई करते हैं, दैट इज द अदर थिंग. ओके, तो जाना जो है ये कोई वर्क में शामिल नहीं होगा यहाँ पर, तो दैट इज वाई ये पैसिव वॉइस वाला सेंटेंस नहीं है. ओके, पैसिव वॉइस वाला सेंटेंस वो होता है जो वर्क से डायरेक्ट रिलेटेड होता है. कैन यू गिव एनी अदर एग्जांपल?
Did he buy a car?
ओके, चेंज करिए.
Was a car bought by them?
Yes, good. Was a car bought by them? Okay. ठीक है. So Have you written this? Now it has been completed. It means past indefinite we have revised it also. Okay, now we will come on continuous. Past continuous has been completed already or not? Past
कंप्लीट हो गया.
पास्ट कंटिन्यूस भी हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. और उसके बाद में पास्ट परफेक्ट भी कंप्लीट हो गया था क्या?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
नो प्रॉब्लम, वी विल रिवाइज. नेक्स्ट, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस? इससे आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिवाइज हो जाएगा. बताइए, एक्टिव वॉइस का फॉर्मूला पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का.
Subject plus
यस,
verb की first form.
already you will use subject plus verb first form.
Was were.
Yes,
Was were.
was were, then verb first form plus
ing plus
plus
object.
object. Yes, and what about the passive voice?
Object plus was were plus being plus verb third form plus connector plus subject.
Okay, very fine. Object plus was were plus verb first form plus ing. Oh, sorry. We haven't used here being. Was were plus verb third form plus being.
And being आएगा.
हाँ तो ओके. Plus verb third form plus connector plus subject. Okay. So can you give any example of it?
They were singing the song.
They were singing a song. अब देखिए, अगर ये सेंटेंस सॉन्ग इंक्लूड नहीं करोगे तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, है ना, क्योंकि they were singing का नहीं बनाया जा सकता पैसिव वॉइस. तो हाउ विल यू मेक? टेल मी.
A song was being sung by them.
यस, अ सॉन्ग was क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि सिंगुलर नंबर है. was being sung by them. Okay. Next, negative में not use होता है. Is it clear to you? Okay. Not will be used here. Only not. Nothing else will be changed. Only not will be used. Can you give an example of negative? नेगेटिव का एग्जाम्पल दे दीजिए यहाँ पर, बताइए.
He was not writing a letter.
Okay. He was not writing a letter. तब क्या लिख रहा है वो? Writing a letter. Okay. Then what will be the passive voice of it?
A letter was not being written by him.
A letter was not being written by him. Okay. Then in interrogative, what will be used? Was were will be there in starting. Was were आप स्टार्टिंग में यूज करेंगे, है ना. Was were after it what will be used interrogative में. इसके बाद क्या यूज करेंगे हम?
Object plus being
इन पैसिव वॉइस, है ना? पैसिव वॉइस में हम was were प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट then being then
verb third form plus
third form
characters plus
plus connector plus subject plus question mark. Yes. And in the same manner, active voice was were plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Okay. Can you give any example of it?
was he writing a letter?
इतना सिंपल एग्जांपल एक ही याद आ रहा है क्या? एनीथिंग एल्स? एनी अदर एग्जांपल कैन यू गिव पलक? Were they revising their lesson? Now, passive voice of it.
Was the lesson being revised by them?
Were their lesson S लगेगा इसमें being revised by them. Why them is not necessary here because of were their lesson. Their has been used here already, so there is no need of why them. Okay? Were their lessons being revised. Okay? समझ आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
There is unimportant subject. ये जो दे है यहाँ पर ये unimportant subject है ना? क्योंकि अगर हम देयर लिख चुके हैं ऑलरेडी तो फिर इसमें यहाँ पर इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. ओके? नाउ परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट. Past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, tell me the
Subject
formula.
plus had plus verb third form
Active
plus
voice
object.
का फार्मूला है subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Then passive voice का फार्मूला बताइए.
Object plus had plus been plus verb third form
Okay.
plus
Object
character
plus
subject.
had plus been plus verb third form plus subject. Okay. Can you give any example of it?
He had took the loan.
She had completed her lesson. Her lesson तो यहाँ नहीं आएगा. She had completed her revision of the lesson. Okay. will be the answer of it? Of passive
The
voice?
revision of the lesson had been complete.
Okay. दो तरह से हो सकता है।
Yes, ma'am.
तो दूसरी तरह बताइए।
Revision of the lesson had been completed by her.
Yes. Revision of the lesson had been completed by her. Okay. Why other students are not giving answer? Okay, have you written this also? Now we will
Yes, ma'am.
start
Yes, ma'am.
negative. Negative sentence, can you give any? Not will be used in negative. And then what will be the formula of it? Subject plus had plus
Had plus not
Plus
plus
not plus verb third form plus
plus
object.
object.
Okay, that one is the formula of active voice. After it, what will be the formula of passive voice?
Object plus had plus not plus
Okay.
been plus verb third form plus connector
Had
plus subject.
plus not plus been plus verb third form plus subject plus question mark. Yes. Then can you give me answer of it? Any example of it?
We had not read the book.
We had not. Yeah.
Had not read the book.
क्या बोल रही हो समझ नहीं आ रहा।
We had not read the book.
Read the book. We had not read the book. यही क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल्स देते हो। हाँ चलिए पैसिव वॉइस बोलिए।
The book had not been read by us.
The book had not been read by us. You may use read also, read. Okay. Then have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Interrogative. Interrogative. What will be the formula of interrogative? Had plus
Had plus subject plus verb third form plus object plus question mark.
okay. And what will be the formula of here? Passive voice. Had plus object plus been plus verb third form plus connector plus question mark plus subject plus question mark. Sorry. Plus subject plus question mark. Okay. Can you give an example of it?
Had they killed the snake?
Had they. Very good. एक नया तरह का अलग तरह का ही बोला करिए killed the snake. Okay. Then of passive voice.
Had the
Had
snake
the
killed by
snake
us.
been killed by them?
Had the snake been killed done. Okay. Now it has been completed. So we have revised it 2 times. So all the things are clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example of present indefinite? Okay. Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example of present indefinite and past indefinite? Any other example? Present indefinite का बोलिए. Active voice का. Tell me an example. Do they open the window of the room? Okay. Give me answer of it, passive voice.
Do the window of the room open by them?
Repeat it.
Do the window of the room open
Do will
by
not
them?
be replaced. Do will not be replaced.
Does
No. How will you change do and does? Do और does को किस में change करते हैं?
yes, ma'am. Is the window of the room opened by them?
Yes. Do और does को is और am और are के according change करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर do के they के साथ में do use हुआ है, but window जो है वो singular one है, इसलिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Is. Is the window opened by them? या फिर you may write is the window of the room opened by them. एक ही विंडो है, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पर ही यूज हो सकता था, बट इट इज नॉट इनकरेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस वी may write this. Okay, next, any other example can you tell me? Of indefinite tense. देखिए मैं आपको एक चीज लिखती हूँ यहाँ पर, बताइए why do we not change this sentence into passive voice? If we may change this sentence into passive voice, क्या ये सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज हो सकता है?
Ma'am, your sentence क्या बना the rises in the east?
Oh, sorry. The sun rises in the east. क्या ये चेंज हो सकता है पैसिव वॉइस में?
No, ma'am.
No. Why it not change into passive voice?
Ma'am, object नहीं है वो.
वैसे तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट ही है एक तरीके से, लेकिन ये पूरा जो है यहाँ से यहाँ लगाकर क्या कहलाता है, बताइए? इन द ईस्ट, फ्रेज है ये, क्या है ये? फ्रेज. व्हाट इज फ्रेज? क्या होता है फ्रेज?
Incomplete sentence.
A group of words which hasn't complete sense, जिसपे कि पूरा सेंस नहीं होता. और फिर दूसरी चीज ये कि इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस में आप पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बना सकते, क्योंकि जब तक ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता तब तक पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता है. ओके, क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसलिए इस सेंटेंस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनेगा. जैसे गो टू स्कूल, तो इसका नहीं बनेगा. ओके, नाउ द टाइम इज ओवर and we will start tomorrow future tense. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you, have a nice day all of you.